Today we're going to go over kind of quickly color grading clips in the source clip effects control panel. How this is helpful is say you've dropped in a bunch of clips and you don't want to have to just keep color grading, copying and pasting, etc. This is a quick way to do it on the source clip. So whenever you use that source clip again, it's already color graded. So whenever you grab this source clip and I drag it to the timeline, it's already color graded. So versus having to drag it in, recolor grade it. So the quick way is we're going to go in here and double click on this clip. This clip's already color graded. And so it's already applied all of this adjustment, which basically is saturation and exposure. So I'll do one that's not color graded just so you can see raw. So this is a 10-bit 422 log file. So you can see it's pretty basic. There's no color. There's not a whole lot of contrast, saturation. It's just not a whole lot going on there. So I double clicked on it. It's open in the source monitor. It's open to the effects controls. It's done the source and then the clip. So this is effects control panel on this source clip, which is here in the bin. That's the actual clip referenced in the timeline from any sequence, etc. So whenever I use this clip, it's going to reference these effects controls on the source, whatever's in here. Right now there's nothing, so it's not going to use anything. So over here in Lumici Color, what's cool is watch this. So just so you know, if I click on this and click in here, if I click over here, there's nothing on here because it's the source. I'm going to apply C-Log 3, I think is what this is. Maybe it's 2. I'm pretty sure it's 3. Yeah, it's 3. So you can apply your LUT, and you notice in the effects control source panel over here, it's applied Lumici Color, and it's put my LUT on it. I like to do basic correction input LUTs. Some people do technical or creative LUTs over here. So I don't do that. I just like it at the top so I don't have to dig. So I've added that. I know this is going to be 200 roughly. See the color comes back to life. And then I think I might boost the exposure a little bit, just a touch. So I'm trying to get these usable, pretty much ready to go, drop in a timeline for the editor. So that's that. And what's cool is I can go up here and copy this. And so I've already got one up here that I kind of like better, I think. Well, no, they're about the same. So yeah, I'll copy this one. This is one I like better. So I'm going to open this one that I just did. So it's the same thing, Lumici Color. I'm going to copy it. Again, we're in the effects control panel on the source effects for that clip. And so I'm going to paste it. Let's just do this. Watch this. Instantly on all these clips. And delete that much, like that. And so it's on all these clips. And so I can dial this in and get these colors looking really nice very quickly. So I could paste this on all of the clips, and it would apply it to all 10 billion of these clips here, because obviously there's a lot. You can see there's a lot. And what's really cool is say I pasted that. So I pasted that, and then I go in here, and I'm like, I don't like that. So let's adjust this. So I'm going to adjust this. It's a little contrasty, I'd say, maybe a little too bright. Watch my scopes. So I got my scopes. Save it. Make sure you save. Now I've got it on there. Okay, so this is a little bit better grade color. Down my color in something like this. A little warmer. Okay, now I'm going to copy again. Copy. And then notice this one's already got the grade on it. I haven't done this with Lumetri, but on raw, it just overwrote it. It didn't even paste up. It just overwrote it. So let's paste and see what happens. Okay, so that's good to know. If you're using raw, it'll just overwrite it. If you're using Lumetri Color, it will layer it. So you see there's two instances of this. I'm honestly not sure which one's mine. I don't remember. I guess we can find out here. We go down here, basic. So that's 0.4. 1.3. So that's the second one, basic. Very similar. One. Okay, so the second one is the one I pasted. So that's good to know. So in raw, it overwrites it. in Lumetri Color, it duplicates it or layers it. And so it just goes, okay, this was here, I'm adding another one right underneath it. And then you've got two overlapping. So they're just stacked, the first one and then the second paste. I'm going to delete the first one because that's the one I don't want. And that's it. And so you can do that for all of these. It is kind of a bummer that it doesn't overwrite, because in RAW it's really nice. If you like modify it and you're like, oh, I want to change all those clips again, you don't have to delete it. But it's just a learning process. Hopefully that helps color grading multiple clips really quickly. And again, this is if you've already cut your clips in and you want to just do it on the master file, the source file, so that when you drag this clip into any other sequence, it's already color graded and it looks great. This is how you do it. So you don't have to keep color grading, you're copy and pasting or pulling from sequences to keep the color grade on. But again, hopefully this helps. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or other ways to do this better down below. Feel free to like and subscribe. And yeah, catch you on the next video. Thank you.